Dun, da, da, dun, 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 dun. Hmm. Chat, chat. You are given array of string words and string of characters. String is form can be formed character. Character can be used once for these words in the words. Hello plus world is well done, honey. What the fuck? There is no why. Oh, so something should be found, not completely. We are given an array of strings, words, and strings of character. A string is good if it can be found from the character. The string is good if it can be found by the characters from the character. Each character can be used. Each character can be used once for each word in the words. Okay. Return the sum of lengths of all good strings. Okay. My approach will be like uh, traverse from start till end, start till end of all pattern. All words, check it, and only thing character. This is the question. Yes. A string is good if it can be formed by the character from the cast. By the character from the cast. So I need to use a char, and each each character each character can be only used once from each words in the words. Mm, mm, Yo, Buzz. After long time, man. How are you, man? Yeah, we'll learn, Buzz. I mean, like, we'll learn rest. Not now, like, maybe after an hour, maybe. We have the character map for the characters, and we need to take the map for the words also. Mm, we have a character map. Words. Can I do like this? If my map has, I mean, like, if my current value is equals to my current character of words, then I'm going to make a count of that. But if I do that, then I will be getting wrong answer since CAT can be a word and BT can be found, but still like T can be counted since they exist in my thing. Should I subtract after I use it? Maybe after I'm using it, then I have to subtract it. Yo, what's up, Tejas? क्या हाल चाल भाई? How was your day, man? Yeah, I think this should work. Uh, I'm going to go for each word. String को बनाने का जरूरत नहीं है since it's already string. If I'm going to access like this, then it's going to be string again. Wait. Wait. How do I do? I need to subtract it. Get the character and minus one. Will it work? Ah, shit. So it's same for me and you, man. Okay, we have the character now. I need to make the pointer, which is going to be my let k pointer, maybe something k, and until my k is less than equals. Why it's not getting typed? Don't worry, man. Your day will be good one day. I don't know. What the fuck? It's overwriting my character right now. What the fuck is this? Oh, by mistake I pressed the INS key, bro. And if you're going to go for each character, and then you're going to check, and if my character map c map dot has words of k, yep, sum plus will be 1 and c map dot set going to get the current word, which is going to be words of k. And how do I subtract it? Can I do minus 1? Like, what the fuck to do that? Can I do like this? Or should I do like this? Maybe C map. Can I do like this? Will this thing work? I have no idea. Maybe let me try. So what I'm doing is like, imagine if you're going to go through the cat now, okay? So once once you go through the cat, then it is going to check for C character. So we have a C here. So this will become 0, okay? But only happens if, how do I check for the count now? Only if it is greater than 0, then only I'm going to subtract it. Otherwise, it will be like, I don't know, like what the fuck will happen. Maybe it will go in the minus way, like maybe since we have a lot of t here, but we only have one t, but he is adding double t here. Damn, this is interesting. If that is a part, then like I'll be getting only one t since this logic is going to subtract it. Oh shit! But he added cat plus hat. But he already told me like you can use only one word at once. I mean, like, each character can be only used once, and how the fuck is using double times? Sort the character and target so they are equal. Uh, yeah, it can be done. Let me try that way. If you want to quickly do, then you can sort the target and each words. Check if they are equal. How do I do that now? We don't have a sort function directly, I guess. Okay. If I subtract it and I'm going to add it to that thing again, like, what would I get now? Let me see the output first. I'm going to print my C map and sum right now. After the operations happening, then it's going to print my C map and sum, which is checking like uh, it's going to iterate on this first thing. Like it is going to set the map first, and after that we are going to check for each words, and we are having a k pointer. I didn't k pointer. Now my k pointer will move, and after that it's going to check if k is less than my word dot length, which is going to be this. And if my CMAP has the word, then I'm going to add one to my sum. Then I'm going to subtract the value from my CMAP, so we don't have like it doesn't counts again. Like okay. And we are moving the pointer, so it goes to the next point. After that, we are printing the CMAP and sum. Let me see. I think I'm going to get a TLE now. Okay, cool. We didn't get a TLE, but we got something wrong here. Why the screen is so small? How can I place this thing somewhere else? Now I think this is good. I am able to see everything in one place. Okay, my logic didn't work somehow. Um, where did it go wrong? Shouldn't be W instead of word. Did I press INS again? Like, shouldn't be W instead of word. Did I get something? Yeah, we got something, but it's saying undefined and one here. Like, let me see what happened. We got more count, bro, than expected. H8E can be found. Instead of removing this thing, I'm going to keep this thing. I'm going to see if W of K exists, and then I'm going to increase. How are we getting 8? How? First, it is going to check for cat. Cat is there. One. What the fuck happened? Um. Okay, let us go back to the excavator. Here we have the map. Let me go to the excavator. Today I had my dinner earlier, so I don't think I will be going sooner today. What the fuck is this? Okay, so as per our logic, what I'm doing is like I have stored this thing inside my map, which is going to be like maybe how it is stored right now. It's stored like this. For a character, it is going to check how many character we have to. Fuck, bro, what happened to my handwriting? T we have only one time. C we have ignore the this thing, ignore man, this ignore this thing. You understand like how the map will be getting stored. This will be one, and we have H1. So now we are going to check for each words here. So let us check. We have CAT here and BT hat and tree. So we are checking for A. If what we are checking, we did this. Wow, I'm getting super handy with mouse. Okay, we are checking if any of my C map contains the word character from here. Like it is going to compare with C, and it is going to go next character, which is going to be my A. Then after that, it's going to go to this T, which is going to be 3 right now. And after that, it is going to go to the B. B doesn't exist, and T exists one. And H-A-T, like we have all the character, I guess. H-A-T 23. And tree, we have tree here. For tree, we are going to get the T, which is going to be 1. I think we are getting 8, I guess. Whenever all character exists, then only we are going to take that thing. How do we do that? Whenever my all character exists, then only it is a proper what do you call it? Perfect string or something? Good string. So these two conditions only satisfies whatever given in the question. So I guess like what do you need to check if cat completely exists in that? If either one of them is getting failed, then I'm going to skip that word itself. So for this thing, it is going to skip since we don't have B, and for this thing, it is going to skip since we don't have double E here, and we don't have R here in our word, and we only have T, which is not going to complete the whole word here. So for the same thing goes to the BT, and for the BT we don't have the B, we only have the T, which is not completing this string right now, like from our map. So the valid one are this two, which is going to be the output of 6 right now, and that is what we are getting here. We need to make our code to do that thing right now. Yeah, we have done that part. Like once it reaches the end and it is true, then only we are going to sum. Uh, maybe maybe I can do like this. Um, if it has my k and it reaches till end of my and reaches till end of my, how do I do that? If I do like this, will it work? And word dot length, until then it is going, then only I'm going to, what I'm going to do is like sum plus equals to my word dot length itself. Instead of adding one by one, I think this should work. If what I have thought is right, then this should work. They're getting 0, right? Which is completely wrong. What does it say? Like whenever my seed at my pass and as w of k, this is going to be word of k, and should I do k equals to? Maybe k pointer going to reach till my word length, which is going to be the current word, and that is you're not signed in. What the fuck is this? No way, bro. Are you for real? I think my token has expired or what? What kind of bullshit was that? We're still getting the same issue right now. Let me check. I don't know why this is not working. If my k is equals to my word dot length and it has my character, then only I'm going to do this. Since whenever it reaches the end, then I'm going to add the word length whatever is there from. What is wrong here? I don't know. Did I do something wrong, man? As per our logic, it should work. If this is the right way of doing this thing, whenever my k is less than equals to my that thing, then only we are going. Yo, Desky, what's up? Oh, you have tomorrow? All the best, dude. Maybe we can, instead of checking like this, I think we can. Okay, wait. Hold on. Instead of this, we can check if current character is right now. What do you say that thing? Okay, wait. Instead of writing every time this thing, you can write in a good way. And now I'm going to check if my C map but get char is greater than 0, then only we are going to do this. We had the same thing, right? Like before, we had something like cmap, and we are going to remove the previous value. Cmap dot set what? Setting the character, and character we are going to get cmap dot get current character minus 1. How do I subtract it now? Can I just do like this? And should I move my pointer inside itself, or like should I do like, yeah, after setting that thing, we can just move. In else part we are going to handle like, what do you call the thing? Maybe you can take a flag, bro. That can form, I don't know, like what kind of name should I take? If this is not true, then my can form is going to be false. Uh, Same logic what we had in the previous one. Instead of directly doing, we are going to check if it is greater than my 0, then only we are going to check, and we are going to subtract it and move the pointer to the next index, whatever. After that, we are going to add to the code. Then I got a TLE or what? I got a TLE. Why did I get a TLE? Okay, this is interesting. Why the hell did I get a TLE now? Did my K++ didn't work? My CMAP is getting a character and going to check if it is greater than my 0. Oh, okay. I did something wrong here. It should be here. I appended it inside the hash thing. I think now it should work. Oh my god, it's taking a lot of time. What the fuck? Why the hell did I get a TLE again? Wow, interesting. Bro, this should be the answer, man. Like, first you're checking this thing and we're going till the word length, and we have a character now. Is it going to have a character? What the fuck is wrong here? Hell no, this should work, bro. What the fuck? I'm not getting where the hell I'm getting the TLE now. I'm not able to understand right now. We are setting back the character to the character minus 1, which is going to be getting the CMAP character and setting back to minus 1 in inside it already. And after that, I'm moving the pointer, which is not going to give me the TLE. If it has, and then it is greater than K, this. What the fuck? What do you mean by it? And also has a logic bug. You are adding the length for bad one. Bro, what the fuck? So you want me to put the K count? The break. Oh, okay. My bad. Will it work? Was this error? I don't think it should be there. What kind of bug is this? Nah, bro. I suck at programming. We are getting like only three. Come on, man. This is unfair. This is really unfair, right? I'm not returning the sum. I'm returning the sum. It should be k plus plus in both condition. Really? Whenever it matches, then only I'm going to move my pointer. Otherwise, I'm going to break anyway. Like, instead of moving. Yeah, I have a break there. I can't understand like what the fuck is that? Should I not form a C map like that? But creating C map doesn't do anything. Oh my god, we only have 22 minutes left and I'm like, stuck with this session right now. Hmm, wait a minute, I have a doubt. Should I form a new map? Maybe because of वही मैं सोच रहा था यहाँ पे कर दूंगा सी मैप का क्लोन मिल गया यहाँ पे डायरेक्टली हम उसका ही मतलब कर दें टी मैप कर दें टी मैप करूँगा कंफ्यूज हो रहा हूँ टेम मैप will it work now creating a temporary map will fix this Oh my god. Bro, yeah, bro, this is working. Yeah, use the clone. We have the answer, but we don't have the clone. Oh, finally. You have a dice n, and each dice has k faces number from 1 to k. Given three integers n k target, return the number of possible ways. Yo, what the fuck is this? Since the answer might be too large, return. Wait a minute, k is my number of dice? N is my number of dice. Okay. Oh my god, look at the answer, bro. The fuck? 18 minutes, 18 minutes, 18 minutes. Lock in, lock in, lock in. You have an n dice. So n is going to be the size of my dice, and each dice has k faces. K faces numbered. So n can have 6 faces. Like this should be fixed, right? Okay, it can vary. Each die has k faces numbered from 1 to k. Given three integers n k, return all the possible ways out of k in total. Roll dice. So sum of face of numbers equals to the target. Since the answer may be too large, return the modulo. How to do this, man? I can't run two loops to do this thing. What if my number is 500 or 600? Then how will I run 600 loops for that thing? I don't think loop is the right answer for this thing. Holy moly, this is permutation. Can I Google what is permutations? Perplexity, yeah. Oh, it's been a lot of time. Okay, let us learn the topic and then we are going to try to solve that thing first. Fuck the timer now. Oh, I still have the perplexity. Permutation is just arrangement of order matters. For example, ABC, ACB, BAC are different permutations of the same letters. You have n distinct items and total number of ways you can arrange them are a factorial. Permutation versus combinations order matters. A, B, B are different. Combinations where order doesn't matter. Consider as in same group. DSO permutations problems mean generate all possible orders. Find the next order. Common ways to do that is fix a position at a time, and every Try every available choice and backtrack. See backtracking. 1 to 3 and the permutations are 3 to 1. In solve a permutation problem. I don't know. Man. Even Perplexity started giving for free thing like what the fuck is this? I'm not even logged in right now. Sure, let's do it in the JavaScript simplest way possible. Permutations are all possible orders of items. A common DSA way to generate them is to backtrack. Choose one item and recurse, then undo the choice. Basic code. Permutate. Permute. Permute is going to have the result visible. Backtracking function, path and used. If path length equal to my num's length, then I'm going to push whole path itself and return. Now what is doing is going from number till end of a number, and if used of I is there, then he's going to continue. So where we have used, okay, we have used here. And use is going to be an array, okay. And after that is pushing, in path is pushing each number. If path length is equal to nums dot length, then only it is going to push the whole path itself. Otherwise, it is going to push each element. After that, it's backtracking. It's popping out the element, popping out the path from path, and he's again adding the. What the fuck is this? Okay, this is true and false. Okay. Oh, this guy is smart, huh? He closed the option of going outside. Where's my deep save? Oh fuck, my keyboard is not. Oh, what happened to my keyboard, man? It's not. Yeah, what is OPSEC? What is OPSEC? What? I'm not doing security. Backtracking algorithm in general, systematic trial and error. You build a solution step by step, and when you hit a dead end, you're going to backtrack and try a different path. Function backtrack. If candidate is complete, then save the candidate. This is going to be my what do you call that, base condition or something. Candidate is invalid, then we are going to prune it. For each possible steps, make a choice, add the candidate, backtrack, undo choice. State tree. Each choice branches into new possibilities. DFS traverses We have Claude, right? I did not even say him to talk in Hindi, but he's talking in it. Sounds scary, but it's actually an one idea to try something. If doesn't work, undo backtrack. Try next option. That's literally let's build a mental model first, then code. Backtracking DFS plus undo. You explore the decision tree. Every node you hmm, every node you choose a pick an option. Explore recurse deeper. So we're going to call the recursion here, or you're going to pick the option first, and you're going to undo whatever you take after that. It is. If it is not satisfying the condition, then we are going to undo. How it works is complete is a function of that. Ignore is complete. We have some function here wrote somewhere like that. And if path is incomplete, then we are going to is complete is basically like what was the thing that he explained before? It's something like this. If my path length is equals to my whatever the input length, then it is going to be is complete. Then you are going to push whole path along with everything inside. And in choice of choices, actually accessing the element from the choice, and we're going to push each choice inside the path. This is like choosing path, right? Choosing choosing something to add inside the path. After that, we're going to explore for more possibilities, which is going to like, again call this recursion function, I guess, backtrack with the path and remaining choice. I don't know from where the remaining choice came, but let us understand the mental model first. Like this is not the real code, I guess. This is something core idea. I don't know. This is not the real. And after backtracking, we are going to check if something is not satisfying some conditions, then we are going to pop it up. Given problem 1, 2, 3, return all permutations, key insights. Every position can pick unused number, so you need to use used and check track of path includes. So let us see how he is applying that thing. First we have a result and we have a path and we have a used array which is going to be and true or false, I guess. So whenever we want to take permutations of something like this, then we have to take the array of boolean values so we can check if that path is true or not. So we have a function backtrack, and this is like this complete function which he wrote in a normal way, but he is implementing it right now directly without putting it in a variable. I mean like a function. And if it is true, then we are going to push whole path. This part we understood clearly. Now we know like we have a result array, we have a path, and we have something called as used whenever we have some permutation questions. And what else we have? We have and loop. It can be either like for in loop or like maybe for loop. So he's starting from 0 and going till the nums length, which is going to be the nums from here. Okay. And we have we have the nums length, and we are going to increment it until the end. And whenever we have this thing here, if it is true, then we are going to continue it. Otherwise, we are going to choose the path, which is going to be choosing this path, and we are going to push it inside the path. And after that, we backtrack. But I don't know like why it's not using everything inside it. Like, if you should be carrying the states, right? If this is recursion function, then I think we should be carrying the state also. I don't know what the hell is wrong here, but yeah, he should be carrying the function itself. Like, come on, man. You have the backtrack and path choices, everything. But here you declared everything globally. I don't know like how this will work globally. First he first he made a choice, then he made my used I as true. After that he pushed the path. I mean like whatever number is current. So he pushed inside the path. And he backtracked again back to explore a lot of things. And he again unchoose that thing. Like after that, he popped the path itself. Without even checking for any condition, he just popped. Draw this tree on paper once and root branch choosing. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go to the Excalibur draw. I'm going to draw it around. This drawing is supposed to be boring. I agree with that. First, we have to take a result which is to have an array and path, current paths. And we have something else use, which is new array, and we are going to fill in this thing like the numbers length. After we filled with the number length, and then we will have a function backtrack. Maybe instead of writing whole thing, I'm going to write short. And if path length is equal to my nums length. Each thing we are going to backtrack now. First we are going to take, this is like checking face, choosing face, backtrack face, undo face. Let us write this. Backtrack, choice making, and complete path. So what else? So let's recall. First we have a result variable and result array, path path array, number length, backtrack, and if path length. Equals to my end dot length. Then we are going to push inside my path, right? Not inside my path, inside my result. Result dot push the whole path itself. It will contain the whole path, and since this is we have choosing phase, right? Okay, loop, and after that we will choose phase. Okay, and loop to iterate over my thing. Let I equals to 0, I less than equals to n dot length, I plus plus, and if used of I is there, and then I'm going to continue. Otherwise I'm going to, what I'm going to do, if use is already there, I'm going to continue, otherwise I'm going to make my use as true, push inside my path. So if use is there already, then continue, otherwise we're going to push into the path. No, we're going to make used of I. Used of I is true, and after that we are going to push inside my path dot push, uh, push current, whatever like we have here, like n of I or something, n of I. This thing is done, then after that we are going to backtrack again to explore more. Our function is backtrack. So backtrack. Now we have to go to the undo phase, which is going to be used as false, and pop the path itself. So used I is going to become false, and path dot pop. So let us recall again. Let us write it again. So I need to know the algo first, then only again. If something comes, then I shouldn't panic at that time. So what were the phases first? Let me write it again without seeing this time again to know how the phases works. First phase is like creation phase. In creation we have let and let path and let result. We have a function called a backtrack. And first phase is like creation phase, which is going to contain my whole result. So when that thing happened, if my path if path dot length equals to my end dot length, then we are going to do inside my result. We are going to push the whole path itself. Spread operator and path. And once this is done, then we are going to have a loop to run through my whole thing. This is going to be like let I equals to 0. I will go till end of my end dot line. I plus plus, and now first we are going to check if my used of I is there. Then I'm going to continue, and then after that we are going to check. Now we have to make our used as true, adding it there, true, and path dot push current of I. Current is like n. We are pushing this thing. We have completed the creation phase. Now we have disponing phase, I guess. So my disponing phase is like used of I is going to become false again. Then my path dot pop will happen. So we go out of this thing. I think we are done with the code, I guess. This is the algo, I guess, for the backtracking mostly. Oh, even after that thing, I need to backtrack. Okay. Okay, I forgot to explore in between, but yeah. After choosing something, then we need to explore backward different possibilities. And then after that, we are going to unchoose, and after that, again, we have to backtrack again. It's like calling, right? So we have used it here, and we have to do backtrack. And after all this thing, we are going to backtrack again. Okay, so we understood how to write the algo for the backtracking now. We know a bit, we are having a bit of idea now how to backtrack, how to choose a path, and how to push to the path. Let me check the question. I'm able to come up with a solution. This is medium question. Maybe I can create a function called as backtrack and have the nk and target as well as a result. First phase is like how how do I do for this thing? I mean like how do you do for the target thing? Like will it be same thing or like will it be different right now? So instead of getting all this thing, I'm going to get the path, the result, and the use. Do you need the use? I don't think we need the use there, but I need to disown something at the end. Let us see the use. Let us try to do this first thing. Like if path.len equals to I, n.len, n.len. Oh my god. Yeah, it can be n maybe standardly and just listen and result dot push current path itself. Creation phase is completed. And lead code, don't do lead code, lead code mat karo, then plot fabric C tag, C tag karo. What is C tag? Check or did you write check? What the fuck? What is this? Now I have to write the loop, but how will my loop start here? Like since we don't have a fixed number, my loop can only go till 2. Since if I have my loop only till 1, then like how? Yeah, bro. He's smogging. He's smogging everyone on chat right now. Descendant is too much costly or what? That does that game cost a lot? How much is this? Xbox? Okay. Who the fuck plays this game, bro? What the fuck is this game? Shit. Nah, bro. I would never buy this game. Like, it's not my type. I would buy something like Minecraft, maybe PUBG or something like, but not this type of game. I don't know. We are mogging him. We are mogging him back again. Oh, you so many people are there in the restaurant. Like, wow. These people been sitting there for 3 hours. This is interesting. I will also start doing rest after a few minutes. Like, I'm just trying to look for the solution. Like, how should I start doing this thing on my own right now. This is my first backtrack. I think we can't directly jump to the backtracking question. Like, I mean, we should first do recursion and then only we can convert that to backtracking. That can't be like directly we can do this thing. You can't directly write the backtracking solution. Maybe. First, we need to find the recursive solution, and then only we can go to the backtracking. If I'm wrong, just let me know. Like, this is dynamic programming. What the fuck? This is not backtracking. Difference between the dynamic programming and backtracking. ये कंफ्यूजन बहुत लोग को होता है बट क्योंकि दोनों रिकर्शन यूज करते हैं द डिफरेंस समझने के लिए इजीएस्ट वे दे डू दे ओवरलैप दो differences backtracking explore all possibilities build a solution step by step undo when it fails goal enumerate answers or find only one valid answer dp also explores possibilities but also notices many subproblems repeat so it catches the result instead of recomputing the goal optimize तो मतलब बैक ट्रैकिंग से डीपी अच्छा है ना देन व्हाई वुड आई यूज द बैक ट्रैकिंग he's saying like he will case the result and he will stop recomputing the thing then what is the fucking use of backtracking see anything good backtracking gives you all subset 1 2 3 and you literally need every subset so no way to catch what the fuck you call this case or catch remember
Cache.
cache okay let me we'll get back to the backtracking and other stuff after I will get my hand dirtier on the depression mode. So for now, I'm going to check the contest I missed today morning. Contest, contest, not context, contest. This was a contest. The difference between the largest value and the smallest digit, the what? Largest digit and smallest digit. How would you get? How would you get like? How would you get 6074? How the hell is adding this thing? The maximum digit range is 5. Oh, bro, we have 7 here. Or 900? 990. Like, how did you take the range, digit range? I can't understand this thing. Did you subtract it? Oh, okay. Yo, Giri, what's up? Um, should I check if this number includes in everything? Then I will just add it to the sum itself directly. Um, Maybe I can keep the name different, I guess. It doesn't make sense if I keep it as an sum. So I have the difference. I need to check if the difference included inside my. I mean, how is checking the same? Whenever my difference is equals to the second difference, then only I need to do this thing. Okay. Do I need to use prefix sum for this? I don't know. No way. Oh, now I understand. Oh, I'm getting 567. the fuck is this? Hmm. Why it compared everything with this 7 and 1? So it's taking an whole max and a minimum, I guess. 7 is the maximum number. Whole, I mean, like whole array itself. How it's visible clearly. we are pretty closer now. Because of this condition, it's not working. I need to for this. Instead of checking for only one number, I need to check for every number. But it is going to check for every number, right? Am I not doing that thing in current dot which is going to keep every number on that? Why did I get 185 extra right now? Did it add every number? Then this shouldn't be the answer then. Which is also okay. But it gave me the right index. It's set 0 and 1. How the fuck? Why did I get this thing? This thing did not even have the value of this thing. If difference at k is equal to max, let's debug my code, bro. It's too large right now. Bloated code, just like me. We have a lot of things here. Maximum for max, difference for differentiating, small digit, big is like digit, big digit, difference array so we can get all the differences and compare them. This part is where we are going to get the small and bigger digit. First we run through every number and we're converting it to the integer, string, and we have a pointer to move towards every character we use here. So after that we are going to take cn, which is going to be the current j of what is value over there, and we are going to convert that thing to an integer and going to compare it to the digit. If it is true, then we are going to put it inside the big digit, and if it is false, then we are going to put it inside the small digit, and we are going to move the pointer to the next, so it moves to the next pointer. And after that I'm taking the difference of big digit and small digit and pushing it inside my difference array, and after that we have a full max, which is going to be like, first I'm going to take a j loop and going to run until my end of the different digit. After that I'm comparing if different digit is greater than my max, then I'm going to push it max, inside my max I'm going to put the difference of j or whatever. And here I'm, in order to take the indices of the numbers, I'm just using an what do you call this thing, string, and ignore the data structure I'm using right now. Like, I don't want to use an array again, so I'm just passing the string and getting the indices. So first I'm checking until my difference digit, and I'm going to check if difference of k is equal to my max, then I'm going to add that index inside my index result. Now I'm taking the sum of all whatever is inside my index the result, where I'm taking the index of nums, I mean like taking the nums array and index of index res of I, which is supposed to give me all the indexes that are present inside my index res. After that I'm going to return my max sum. I don't know like why this is not working. I'm kind of getting everything in my thing, so maybe we need to be good. For this test case, I don't know like how this is working. I'm getting 1 and 0. If I had one more value here, how could I change this thing? I change it. I can change. Like, give me hint, bro. Oh, yeah, even this is possible. I didn't think of a solution like that. Should have taken result index array. Maybe we'll take an index array. No, this is still not going to work. If I have an index, oh, nice. Am I overcomplicating the question? Why I'm getting only 350? What the fuck? I need to get only that first round. Right? You want to see my answer? My answer is pretty big. Big, big. I'm writing like I don't know like how to solve this, so I'm writing on my own creative solution or something. I hope you can see my screen though. It is pretty big. How big, right? You are pro, man. Can I do divide wala method? We have reverse method, right? Instead of writing long code, I can do the divide wala method to get the digit. Lol. Okay, let me comment this. I'm going to not remove this thing. Maybe I'll try some different simple. Yeah, I'm storing it. What the fuck? It's not moving down. Like, what happened to this thing? Um, it is better. Range should be now you will see my shortest answer now. I was trying to brute force it, but I couldn't. If range is greater than my max, max will become range. Total will become my number. Total will become my num. Then what I have a sum here. Otherwise, we need to do the range will be max in total plus equals to num. I think this method should work. This is going to get the range and we are going to compare it with equal then I'm going to assign it up equal is equal then I'm going to add it. I think ये वाला काम करना चाहिए तो even the string is not defined. Did I use small s? कितने सारे इनबिल्ट फंक्शन इसका क्या हो गया इतना oh I'm getting the range you should be getting the value right what is the issue here inside my nums I'm going to take a digit taking a difference range like my range is greater than my max and put the max range and total will be my whatever number and if range is equal to maximum then will set my numbers I'm going to return the total oh, there you go let me see why this how to make this thing I wrote a creative solution for this thing but it is too long I still it's literally the same thing is doing but I was able to come up with some such fucking big solution it's fucking I'm fucking proud of myself like crazy I only missed something here it's the set tracker wala. Let me reset and see if this is possible perfectly I पहली बार I want it to work now so he's saying like I need to use this thing inside I'm not even posting on LinkedIn where I'm seeing other fuck every time it will reset right wait चलिए यहाँ पे so bro bro what the fuck bro it's working man भाई मेरे को इसको अंदर डालना था बस वहाँ की हम पहली बार में उससे कर लिया इतना बड़ा कुछ अप्रोच बड़ा है बट आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट यू आर ट्राइंग टू से बट या पर मैंने थोड़ा बहुत उधर इधर करके मतलब कहीं कहीं से मतलब किया है बट आई ट्राई टू डू सम डिफरेंट सोल्यूशन ऐसा सोल्यूशन तेरे को मिलेगा ही नहीं और मेरे लगता है फेल हो जाएगा ये आई न्यू इट 955 पे फेल हो रहे हैं तेरे पूछता हूँ इसको मेरे को पता नहीं है Oh, okay, okay, इंडिविजुअल है ये. debug करना भी आना चाहिए मेरे को. Holy moly, shit. Oh, 8%. I'm happy, still happy because it's some creative solution. मेरे को ऑप्टिमाइज करना भी सीखना पड़ेगा. अभी सबमिट करूँगा तो 10% हो जाएगा. Did I remove all the console log? Nobody will write a long list solution like this. A simple problem like this. 73% मारा देखा बस 73% मारा. सोल्यूशन लंबा है तो क्या हुआ आंसर आ गया. अच्छा 73%. एंड व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन. इसको उड़ा ही देता हूँ क्या ही करेंगे. इसको रहने देता हूँ. ये सब मेरा मेरा लिंक्डइन मेरा लिंक्डइन है क्या ही करेगा. कुछ नहीं. मेरा लिंक्डइन क्या. लेट मी सी हाउ मच इट कैन गिव. 10 लाइन वाला सोल्यूशन. Bro, only 21% is nah, bro. I would prefer my longest solution, but it's still length. Does length of code matters or like how you're writing matters? I don't know. मेरे को पता है यार. ये मेरे को 73% दे रहा है. I guess अभी 88 दे रहा है. क्या ये. अभी फिर से करूँगा लाइक मेरा 100 हो जाएगा. मेरा लिंक्डइन भाई क्या हो गया. Yeah man, finally. अगला देखूँ. ये थोड़ा हार्ड लगेगा लाइक सब सीक्वेंस अगर दूसरा आइडिया नहीं. विल ट्राई. Arey, chai pani, why are you following me on Leetcode, bro? How did you even type my type my ID, man? It's so fucking crazy. Did you really sit and type all this shit, bro? How did you? I got 10 followers. Is this you? Oh, you have done 252. Oh, it's log. Oh, you have 6 lakh. Great. And in rank. Where do I stand? Like, oh, I stand here. Wow. Pretty much good enough. Last time I was on 10 lakh or something. I don't know. Like 10 or 8. I don't remember. 10 or 8. आज कितना सबमिशन किया मैंने, तो किया। और क्रेजी क्वेश्चन देखता हूँ। क्या बोल रहा है? यू आर गिवन टू स्ट्रिंग्स एस एंड टी consisting of serious side. Oh, nice. क्या है ये? 3JS है? Constant precursor animation sir. I think 3JS है। हेडर दिख रहा है, हेडर में क्या है? Cloud flower, so where's 3JS? This is not 3JS? हाँ ये रहा 3JS टन। मेरे को भी सीखना भाई ये 3JS। ओ भाई साहब, सच में इतना है क्या तेरा भाई? सच में इतना है क्या? क्या बना है भाई ये? खुल क्यों नहीं रहा है? Is this for display purpose or like can I click this and open? ओपन करने का बटन दिखा यार। लिंक्स आर नॉट। अच्छा यहाँ पे है क्या? आई डोंट सी दैट बटन। और ये वाला, ये जो देख रहा है ये वाला, यहाँ पे फीडबैक नहीं दे रहा हूँ, बस जस्ट टेलिंग। मे बी एक लाइक फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हूँ। यहाँ पे देख तेरा ये वाला क्या बोलते हैं इसको, तेरा हेडर ना मतलब। मैं यहाँ बार देख तेरा मतलब ये इनविजिबल हो जा रहा है इसके बीच में आने के बाद। यहाँ पे आने के बाद इनविजिबल हो रहा है मतलब ये वाला सब हाइड हो जा रहा है। तो मतलब क्या करूँ, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा ब्लैक वाला कुछ डाल दो ओवरले, सो वाइट वाला टेक्स्ट दिखेगा। मतलब जब तू स्क्रॉल करेगा ना देन ओनली यू डू दैट। रेस्ट ऐसे रहेगा तो फुल परफेक्ट है इतना सही है। यहाँ पे आई थिंक कुछ तो है यहाँ पे, बट इट्स वेरी वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट है। और दे रिमूव योर ऐप। डैम ब्रो, 4 years of experience। मेरे को तो 1 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है। बताओ यार तुम तो पुराने खिलाड़ी हो यार, थोड़ा बता दो। लिंक भेज दे पुराना, तू तो मॉड है भाई। तेरा जाकर ढूंढना पड़ेगा मेरे को अकाउंट वगैरह। रोड भी ये IoT हार्डवेयर। तुमने एक्सपीरियंस कहाँ पे शेयर किया है? अच्छा ये ब्रो योर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर। डैम ब्रो योर प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर। 2017 से आप तो यार बहुत बड़े हो यार, आप तो चाय पानी भाई, आप तो बहुत बड़े हो यार। हमारे डिस्कॉर्ड में हो क्या आप? यो Are you able to understand Hindi or like should I speak in English? I don't know. You look like you're from different place. But your name is Harshendra, right? Maharashtra. Okay. I think आपको हिंदी आता है. हाँ मैं अचानक से देखा आप इंग्लिश वाला जैसे लग रहे हैं. मैं खुद अंकल हूँ. तो अरे अरे तो नहीं बोल सकता. अरे फिर से अरे बोल रहा था. क्या मतलब कोई ओपनिंग वगैरह मिल सकता है हमारा? मेरे को एक ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस हो. मेरे को भी 3 डेज करने का है यार. मैं एक दिन लाइव पे बैठ के बनाऊंगा ये क्या बोलते हैं पोर्टफोलियो फिर से फुल स्क्रैच समझ आएगा. रिविजन भी हो जाएगा एंड बहुत दिन हो गया बनाया हुआ बहुत चीज़ें. लीड कोड ही कर रहा हूँ बहुत दिन से. और उतना दिन से मतलब उतना कोड नहीं किया मैंने. अच्छा ये मूव कर रहा था मैं देखा नहीं इसको. ये मूव कर रहा है या फिर मतलब मेरा स्क्रीन मूव कर रहा है. आई थिंक दिस इज फिक्स बट दिस इज रोटेटिंग सम. तो कॉलेज में हो? हाँ ब्रो यू आर डूइंग फ्रॉम पास्ट. अब तो मतलब प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजर हो चुका है. ए हेल्प ब्रो नाइस. बढ़िया है, मस्त बनाया. बट यार ना इन सब का लिंक वगैरह डाल दो थोड़ा सा मतलब. बाकी तो सही है बस. इसका इसका थोड़ा सा ये सब चेंज कर दो भाई. ये मतलब मैच ही नहीं कर रहा है इसके साथ. मैंने भी ये से बनाया मेरा दिखाता हूँ आपको. ये तो मैं नहीं हूँ ये मेरा ये मॉडल है. मेरा क्लोज रेप्लिका है मेरा. मेरा ये है. अभी तक अपडेट नहीं किया पुराना वाला. मोस्टली मैं मॉन टाइपस्क्रिप्ट एंड ए सिस्टम के साथ हूँ. एंड मेरा उतना कुछ खास है नहीं. एक ऑटोमेशन टूल था जिसका नाम वासाला एंड वो लाइक इंस्टाग्राम का ऑटोमेशन होते हैं ना वो सब जो भी होता है वो सब उसका एक बनाया था. एंड फिर एक डॉक्सिक इंजिन था जो कि जो पीडीएफ वगैरह बनते हैं ना जहाँ पे बल्क में पीडीएफ वगैरह बनाते हैं ना मतलब सर्टिफिकेट बनाने के लिए या फिर कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स मंगाने के लिए. तो फिर उनके लिए एक सैस प्रोडक्ट जैसा था ये. एंड फिर ये एक एल एल एम एक चैट जी पी टी मतलब चैट जी पी टी का जैसा ही बट दिस इज़ फॉर अकाउंटिंग. लुका जी पी टी मोबाइल करके था जो कि प्ले स्टोर पर भी है. एंड इसका पूरा ट्रांजिशन किया था लाइक एक वेब ऐप था जिसको मतलब पूरा ट्रांजिशन करके मोबाइल ऐप में कन्वर्ट. एंड एक है इसको मैं सोच रहा हूँ इसको फिर से बना दूँगा खुद के लिए ताकि मेरा रिविजन हो जाए. जो बहुत दिन हो गया ना काम हाथ पे लगाया हुआ मतलब वेब डेवलपमेंट में. तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ ना कि वापस से मतलब ये प्रोजेक्ट को पूरा बिल्ड कर लूँ. और मेरा तो इतना ही है और कुछ नहीं है. एंड स्टडी बड़ी ये तो एक फुल वाइट कोडेड है. बैकएंड सिर्फ मैंने मैनेज किया था बाकी सब तो पूरा वाइट कोडेड है. चलो लॉग इन सब हो गया. यहाँ पे यहाँ पे आप स्टडी प्लान बना सकते हो एंड यहाँ पे ये से आप कुछ पूछ सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे ये हेल्प करता है ये अगर आपको स्टडी करने के लिए. और भी मॉड डालना है मेरे को इसमें बट मेरे को इसमें मज़ा नहीं आता मैं इसको ड्रॉप कर दिया. एंड यहाँ पे टाइमर वगैरह है ताकि तुम स्टडी वगैरह करने के टाइम पे ये करो. एंड इसमें ना मेरे को नॉन डिस्टर्ब मोड वाला लगाना है जिसमें मतलब कुछ भी नोटिफिकेशन आए तो मतलब देखे नहीं. एंड वही है बस समथिंग सिमिलर टू द टू डू बट एडवांस टू डू है. यहाँ पे आप लोग मतलब अपना रिसोर्स वगैरह ऐड कर सकते हो नोट्स वगैरह ऐड कर सकते हो. फिर तुम लोग का मतलब ये नोट्स वगैरह दिखाएगा. एंड यहाँ पे आओगे तो मतलब प्रोफाइल में तुम्हारा गिटअप पे जैसा मतलब वो होता है क्या बोलते हैं इसको हीट मैप बोलते हैं ना इसको. हीट मैप वगैरह रहेगा जहाँ पे तुमको दिखाएगा तुमने क्या क्या एक्टिविटीज़ किए हैं. एंड कितने सारे तुमने ये किया है स्ट्रिक कितना है तुम्हारा क्वेरीज कितना पूछा तुम कितना फोकस किया है. बस छोटा मोटा है आता है. ये वाला किसी ने मेरे को बनाने के लिए बोला था, तब मैं कहीं पे अप्लाई किया था ना, तो मतलब उन लोगों ने प्रोजेक्ट के बनाने के लिए उन लोगों ने बताया था, तो मतलब मैंने ये वाला बनाया था। यानी ये तो मेरा बॉट है यार। आई थिंक ये ऑन नहीं है अभी। ऑन हो जाएगा तो मैं यहाँ पे दिखाऊंगा, इसको ऑन होने दो। एंड ये तो मेरा ये है, एक्सटेंशन है। अगर तुम लोग को ट्राई करना कर सकते हो, अगर कोई आइडिया तो बताओ यार मेरे को यार। मेरा एक ही एक यूज़र है, बट 3 लोग ने मेरे को रिव्यू किया है। अब ये सीधे रिव्यू में, तो यहाँ पे 3 लोग ने रिव्यू किया है। ऑन स्पॉट तुम लोग को डाउनलोड लिंक दे देगा सारा चीज़ का। एंड ये क्या बोलते हैं, मतलब फॉन्ट वगैरह रहते हैं, फिर बहुत सारी चीज़ें मतलब डाउनलोड करने देते हैं। ये वाला, अच्छा ये सेंट्रिक्स। ओ, लेट मी शो यू, लेट मी शो यू। यहाँ पे आओ, यहाँ पे मेरा सर्वर में आओगे, एंड लेट मी टेस्ट इन द एडमिन, सो सबको नहीं दिखेगा। सेंट्रिक्स ऑन हो गया यार। मेरे को कमांड याद ही नहीं है, कमांड था यार, कुछ तो था। ऐसा है, हाँ ऐसा है। कमांड्स डालोगे, कमांड्स डालोगे तो यहाँ पे देखो एडमिन मोड वगैरह आ गया। मैसेजेस पर्ज कर सकते हो, प्रमोट कर सकते हो यूज़र को, डीमोट कर सकते हो, वार्न कर सकते हो। एंड अभी देखना, अभी मैं कुछ गलत शब्द लिखूंगा ना तो मेरा मैसेज उड़ा देगा। एंड फिर एक लॉग में जाके दिखेगा, देखो यहाँ पे दिस मैसेज इज़ नॉट अलाउड। एंड लॉग में दिख रहा है कि क्या मैसेज था, किसने किया था, क्यों डिलीट हुआ, एंड कौन सा चैनल में डिलीट हुआ, सब दिखाएगा। एंड और भी है यार, इतना जल्दी गायब हो गया दफा। टाइमर लगा रखा है कि तब थोड़ा देर के बाद में अपने आप निकल जाएगा। एंड यहाँ पे यूज़र यूटिलिटीज़ वगैरह है, इंफॉर्मेशन यूटिलिटी, इसको मैं थोड़ा अच्छा कर दूंगा, ग्राफिक्स वगैरह मस्त दिखेगा फिर तो। रिमाइंडर्स वगैरह हैं, जैसे अभी कर दूँ रिमाइंड 1 मिनट, डेमो कुछ भी ऐसे कुछ भी लिख देता हूँ, अभी अभी के लिए लिख देता हूँ टेस्टिंग कुछ, टेस्टिंग डन। तो रिमाइंडर सेट हो गया ना, रिमाइंडर सेट होने के बाद में 1 मिनट के बाद में अगेन यू विल सी द मैसेज, रिमाइंड करेगा तुमको। कोई भी चैनल में रहोगे तो रिमाइंड करेगा तुमको कि हाँ तुमने रिमाइंडर सेट किया था, रिमाइंडर आ गया तुम्हारा, ऐसा करके। एंड पोल वगैरह भी कर सकते हो। एंड फिर लीडर बोर्ड देखना है तो यू कैन टाइप दिस लीडर बोर्ड, एंड जो ज़्यादा मैसेजेस करेगा उसका स्कोर बढ़ता है। लीडर बोर्ड देखना था मेरे को, लीडर, अच्छा लीडर बोर्ड में, अच्छा मैं यहाँ इस वाला चैनल में बस एक ही गाय है लीडर बोर्ड में। एंड फिर ये रैंक देखना है किसी यूज़र का तो रैंक देख सकते हैं। एंड वेलकम में जाओगे ना, वेलकम में जाने के बाद में इफ़ समवन joins when my bot is live, then you will get some cards like this। ये पूरा जावास्क्रिप्ट से बनाया है, डिस्कॉर्ड जेएस करके है, यू कैन ट्राई दिस। This will provide the wrapper to create the Discord bots. You will get a lot of functions. You can combine them and do more stuff। मेरे को और भी ऐड करने हैं, म्यूजिक्स वगैरह ऐड करने हैं, बट मेरा मन उठ गया था उस प्रोजेक्ट से, तो मैं आई ड्रॉप इट। बट है, रिज्यूमे में है, देखो यहाँ पे रिमाइंड किया ना इसने 1 मिनट के बाद में कि हाँ टेस्टिंग डन तुम्हारा हो गया, एंड इट विल टैग यू। एंड अभी मेरे को प्रमोट करना है किसी को, तो प्रमोट करूँगा, किसको प्रमोट करूँ? रेंज को प्रमोट करता हूँ, रेंज को प्रमोट करूँगा, किसका मॉड में प्रमोट करूँगा? He's already mod, but still like he's already in mod, I can't do mod। Maybe I'll try for some other, like, let me try for someone else। Is SG mod right now? Let me give him mod। What was the command, man? Promote and username and promote at SGY mod. मेरा promotion हो गया इसका. Something like this. Utilities हैं and you have a lot of functions. बस इतना ही है. एक प्रोजेक्ट है. आई थिंक मेरा में इतना ही है यार, और नहीं है कुछ. बाकी तो स्किल सेक्शन है एंड क्या इतना ही, और कुछ नहीं. क्या पूछ रहा है ये? है मेरे को. मेरा सैलरी पूछ रहा है या फिर चाय पानी का? मैं तो जॉब ही नहीं करता. प्रणव ने बोला था कुछ देखने. What the fuck? हाँ भाई, that is AI, not me. I don't even look like that. ओ भाई साहब. अच्छा तू तो मतलब साइबर सिक्योरिटी वाला है. क्या ऑप्शन? सिक्योरिटी टाइप. अबे नीचे क्यों नहीं जा रहा है? अच्छा यही. ओके, सिंगल पेज है. भाई थोड़ा लाइट मोड डार्क मोड भी दे दे यार. थोड़ा डार्क मोड दे दे. आँख मेरा जल रहा है यार. रिक्रूटर भाग जाएगा तेरा रिज्यूमे देख के भाई, बहुत ज्यादा. हाँ हुआ. बस चेक कर रहा है मैंने. ए प्रोजेक्ट, हाँ. बना सकते हैं. लेट मी शो यू वन ए प्रोजेक्ट. मेरे को कमांड याद नहीं आ रहा है, मेरे को जाकर देखना पड़ेगा उसके लिए. npx क्या था वो डेव. डेव था. नहीं तो नहीं करना. क्या हो रहा ही नहीं हुआ. मैं कमांड देख लेता हूँ जाके. हाँ, अभी जो अभी जो कीबोर्ड का चल रहा है ना, उसका मैंने रेप्लिका बनाया है लिटरली से, मतलब बस ट्राई करने के लिए. हाँ मैंने भी यही तो किया था. व्हाट द फक भाई, मेरे npm करना. Shit. गैस फिलिंग है टूरी। खुल गया। ऑलरेडी न्यूज। अच्छा इसने चालू कर दिया। तो मेरा कीबोर्ड क्यों नहीं आ गया? बिल्ड हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा रुक जाए यार। मैं इसको डिसेबल करता हूँ थोड़ा देर। मैं का कीबोर्ड को डिसेबल करता हूँ। फिट कर दिया। नाउ साउंड इज नॉट कमिंग। एंड अभी जैसे ये प्रोजेक्ट लॉन्च हो जाएगा ना, देन आई विल शो यू लिटरली वो सेम काम करेगा उसका। बट मैं उसमें थोड़ा बहुत नया डालने के लिए सोच रहा था, बट मेरे को साउंड नहीं मिल रहे थे वो ऐसे कुछ। इधर आई नीड टू क्रिएट देम ऑन माई वो, और मे बी क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अनसपोर्टेड पीएनजी कलर। करो भाई करो। क्या हो गया तेरे को? जब मैं किसी को दिखाना चाहता हूँ तभी ये सब आना चाहिए, इससे एरर आए। वाह। आई थिंक हो गया। छोड़ो इसको, मैं कल दिखाता हूँ। इसने मेरा दिमाग का भोसड़ा कर दिया। वो सब कल दिखाता हूँ। भाई साहब प्रणव ने ब्लॉकचेन बनाया है। ऋतिक प्रोजेक्ट ये क्या हुआ? अरे खुल क्यों नहीं रहा है? अबे लिंक तो डाल दे, क्या कर दिया तूने? अबे सारे में वही आ रहा है, क्या है भाई ये? मतलब ऐसे ही डाला है, अभी अभी डाला नहीं है क्या? अच्छा ऐसे ही मतलब प्लेस होल्डर तो कुछ और डाल दे, ये क्या डाला है? अच्छा डिसेबल कर दे भाई, डिसेबल कर दे, हटा दे। तेरे दफा फिर डेली यहाँ का डेली। अब सही भाई। एंड ये क्यों नहीं जा रहा, क्या है ये? एक काम कर, तू क्लॉड को दे के बोल के रेस्पॉन्सिव खाली बना दे। तूने बना रखा है बट रेस्पॉन्सिव करवा दे। मैंने पूरा क्लॉड से बनवाया भाई, मैं खुद से नहीं बनाऊंगा यार। उसको करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, इससे अच्छा मैं उसको बता दूँ कर देगा। जब वो कर सकता तो मैं क्यों नहीं बताऊँ उससे। तूने ईमेल भी डाला है, नाइस। 114 कर रखा है, नाइस ब्रो। रुक जा एक सेकंड, जीमेल वीमेल कुछ आया है क्या? अच्छा मेका को चालू कर देता हूँ, तो इससे मेका के बिना मजा नहीं आता। गेम चेंजर फ्रीलांसर लाइक यू कैन, क्या है स्कैमर है क्या तुम? $2000 दे के क्या दे? पता है यार, मेरे को पता है तुम लोग नहीं करोगे। भाई एक तो आ जाए कम से कम, दिमाग खराब कर रहा था। इतना झाटू किस्मत है भाई मेरा। सीनियर फुल स्टैक डेवलपर ये कब आया? ओ, एक दिन हो गया ये यहाँ खत्म हो गया। वहाँ पर से माइक्रो पे लेके जा रहा तुम लोग ये साले तुम लोग अपना ये ट्रेन पे निकले। एक जॉब अप्लाई करो यार किसी जॉब में। गलत हो गया। ऐसे भी इसमें क्या बोलते हैं इसको, चूतिया है भाई इन लोगों का दिमाग खराब कर रहा है। ये देख कैसा मेल भेज रहा है, चूतिया कैसा भेज रहा है, इसको देखने से पता नहीं चलेगा स्कैम आ रही है। स्कैम भी नहीं करना आता पड़ेगा। अरे हाँ भाई यार दिमाग खराब हो रहा है यार, कुछ भी नहीं मिल रहा साला, कितना अप्लाई करा पागल हो गया। मेरा टोटल एप्लीकेशन कहाँ पे देख सकता हूँ मैं? वर्क डे करके कुछ तो था यार। अरे क्या नाम था उसका? वर्क जॉब कुछ तो था भाई, क्या नाम था उसका? वर्क इंडिया नहीं, अपना तो चूतिया है बंदर वो। अबे ओएलएक्स पे भी काम मिल रहा है वो, ओएलएक्स पे काम मिल रहा है। ओएलएक्स पे डेवलपर का काम मिल रहा है। वो नौकरी कहाँ करता है यार? यार ओएलएक्स पे भी काम मिलने लगा आजकल, व्हाट द फक। 50 से 60 70 हजार, क्या फेंक रहा है ये? अरे ये प्लेसमेंट स्कैमर वाले लोग हैं यार, व्हाट द फक, ये क्या है? कंपनी तो बढ़िया लग रहा है देखने में। है क्या ये बेच रहा है क्या ये? ये देख रहा है, ये देख रहा है स्कैमर लोग। ओएलएक्स का भरोसा ही नहीं है, नौकरी दिखाना है। सब में करता हूँ, सब में अप्लाई करता हूँ। मैं सब में ये वाला फोटो डाल रखा है भाई, मैं हूँ नहीं है। मैं कौन दिखाता हूँ? थोड़ा सा, थोड़ा सा रुक गया, अच्छे से। मैं पहले फोटो निकाल लेता हूँ वरना कुछ और दिख गया तो फिर मेरा स्ट्रीम उड़ जाएगा। फिर मेरा फोटो कहाँ हो रही है? ऐसे रुको भाई यार, मैं वापस देता हूँ मेरा फ़ोन से। टेलीग्राम में दिखा भी नहीं सकता, कर लगता है। मैंने चाहिए फोटो ना मिल रहा, ठीक है क्या? भाई ये हूँ भाई, मैं ये हूँ, मैं ये हूँ। देखा है कितना सारा चेंजेस कर रखा है ये बोल के। मैं चूतिया दिखता हूँ, देखा। इसमें उसमें कितना अंतर है, देख रहा है। मैं पूरा ये से बनवाया है। मैं तो हुई नहीं। तूने मेरे को कभी देखा मैं कैसे दिखता हूँ? फिर भी चूतिया दिखता हूँ। वेलकम में हो सकता है क्या मेरा? बहुत हार्ड पूछते हैं इन लोग। स्किनी, हाँ वो तो स्किनी, हाँ मैं स्किनी तो हूँ। मैं बहुत स्किनी हूँ। ऐसा मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता तो वाले। ये डेवलप ये इन्हें कर रहा भाई। ये है क्या? ये डीएस है क्या? क्या है ये? 30 MCQ करनी है इसमें, इसमें टॉप आएंगे तो कुछ तो मिलेगा, कम से कम 6,000 रुपये तो मिलेगा। ऐसे एक दो दिन करते जाऊंगा सब मिलते। SEO and SEM I can do, man. I know SEO। अप्लाई कर देता हूँ, जब होगा देखा जाएगा। कोडिंग चैलेंज मजा आएगा तब। नहीं, क्रिएटर कम्युनिटी, क्रिएटर कम्युनिटी कॉन्टेस्ट कंप्लीटेड हो गया, बट मैंने अप्लाई नहीं किया था क्या? कोई ना, कुछ से मिलेगा। एटलीस्ट लिंक्डइन पर डालूंगा तो थोड़ा रीच तो मिलेगा। भाई क्या बहुत मुसीबत है यार। अप्लाई करते रहता हूँ यार मैं, जब मेरा मन करता था तब अप्लाई करते रहा। चलो भाई लोग सोते हैं। 1 o'clock हो गया, सो जाओ यार तुम लोग भी, क्या है। तुम लोग ये चूतिया का स्ट्रीम देख रहे हो। गुड नाइट, गुड नाइट। यार लाइक, अरे लाइक तो कर दो, लाइक तो कर दो भाई। लाइक तो कर दो यार। कॉल, कॉल तो नहीं आता है, ये तो आना चाहिए। तो वो आएगा तो मजा आ जाएगा। अभी नहीं आएगा। ठीक है, मिलते हैं फिर। कल मिलते हैं प्रणव। चाय पानी भाई, मिलते हैं भाई। कुछ है क्या डिस्कॉर्ड पे? देख रहा था बात टू गुड स्लीप। देखता हूँ रस्ट में क्या हो रहा है। पर मैंने रस्ट किया ही नहीं, मतलब फक भाई, पूरा DSA में ही लगा है, शुरू किया। फिर फ्लोर टूट जाएगा मेरा। अभी तो नहीं कर सकता। कल कल मामा को जाकर छोड़ने गए स्टेशन पे, तो उनको 2 बजे मतलब ट्रेन प्रॉपर में, पर चलो उठना पड़ेगा ना, तब जाना पड़ेगा, टिकट वगैरह निकालना। सोचना है। चलिए फिर मिलते हैं।